How to log in into Facebook with your Gmail. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Facebook account with your Gmail. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up your Facebook. After you open up your Facebook, simply type in your email or Gmail address. Now, since if you want to log in with your Gmail, you must tap on forgot password because there is no direct way you can log in with Gmail. The only way that you can use Gmail to log in is when you've forgotten your password. So tap on that and tap on search by mail instead. Now what you'll need to do is type in your email address here, and after you do that, simply tap on continue. Now what this will do is this will simply send you your verification on your Gmail, and if you're already logged into your Gmail on this very device, it will automatically log you in. And it's that simple, guys. That is how you can log in into your Facebook with your Gmail. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.